everyone, welcome back to my new video. So in today's video is about how to look like a traditional Chinese girl. I will mainly talk about the hairstyle. I haven't done my hair yet, so I will do this in the video. So my makeup is similar than before. The tone of my eyeshadow is orange red. You will also need the flower in the center of your eyebrow. So I got a lot of different patterns. You can draw by yourself or you can just use the tattoo. So this name is called 眉心贴. I will choose this one to remove my bands first. Ta-da! It's not in the center. Sure, this is the center. Ta-da! Okay, this is in the center. So it has a lot of patterns you can choose from. It has like noticed flowers. So this makeup goes perfectly with the 齐胸襦裙 types of Hanfu. Hanfu has a lot of different types. The type I'm wearing today is called 齐胸襦裙. This makeup goes perfectly. Next we will do the hairstyle. I have a lot of fake hair piece. In this video I will mostly use my own hair. You will need some hair tools. The hair tool will help you to do the hairstyle. What I need is this tool. It'll be very useful. So the first hairstyle is very basic, very easy. Braid this piece. And then you will do the same on the other part. Right now you have two braids and you can just put the braids in the back. So this is one way. You just put it in the back, two hair in the front. The last but not least, I have a box of Chinese style hair accessories. You can use the hair comb, put it here. This is a very simple look. This is a very casual hairstyle. If you have the fake hair, let me show you some of I have here. I can make this hairstyle fancier, which is the loop. Just pin it here. Looks cuter and makes the hairstyle fancier. Okay, let's do the next one. We will grab more. So I'm growing out my own bands. So this is like a base for a lot of Chinese hairstyles, and I still have some hair in the back. So this time we have thicker pigtails. So it looks like that. And if you don't have this tool, you can just use your finger to do this. And same like before, we'll braid the pigtails. And then is to create the loop. And just pin the rest of hair in the back. Or you can... Then you just pin to secure the back. Ta-da! Like that. And if you want bands, no bands. It's up to you. And then we grab the hair to the front. I don't have enough hair accessories. I need the one to put in the front, so it's like that. It'll be very pretty if you have something hanging down. Okay, let's do the next hairstyle, which is to loop the hair in different direction. What we can do is we can loop the hair in the front. Look, pin it. Same as this one. Just loop the hair any way you like. If you want all your hair up, you can just like pin all the hair up. You want two hair in the front, you can put it in the front. I will use the same hair accessories. If you want something on the top, you can pin it here. Then you can put the hair pins like through that, so it makes the look even fancier. This is the one I made. I have a lot of those fake bands, so the links are in the description box. Okay, next hairstyle. This one is the base. This time no loop. You move the hair to the top. This one to the top. And then you have this on the top. So we will put the hair accessories. And I will braid the bottom here. I didn't prepare this one. I just come up with this idea like right now. and then just make loops. So one of the important feature for Chinese hairstyle is loops. Put loop on one side or both sides, it's up to you. And it's actually really cute. Ta-da! And if I want to make the hair look a little bit fancier, the accessory. Again, if you want to add more hair, you just add more fake hair. I don't have enough hair to create this one. I have a lot of pins on my hair. Wow, I think this hairstyle is pretty fancy actually. And helping, you can just add more. Add as many hair accessories as possible. I think this hairstyle is the fanciest hairstyle in this video. I wish I have more. I love this look a lot. I think I like this one the most. Oh, I have more. I put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hair accessories on my hair. So I'm actually very surprised I did this hairstyle. I didn't expect. I'm very happy about this. I always wanted this look. I'm very happy about it. I just need the right hair accessory. Those are just the random accessories I have. I don't have red, maybe white. I got white on my Hanfu, so it looks better with earrings. So after I got all the matching accessories, this look will be prettier. Okay, right now I'm extremely happy because my husband, he loves this look a lot. So I made those. Love it. I love it a lot.